At U-Haul, we're here to provide you help and certainty during an uncertain time. We will continue to be open in your community to meet your moving and storage needs. Your health and safety are our priority, so we've stepped up our already high standard of preparing equipment by meticulously sanitizing our rental equipment and disinfecting our retail showrooms. U-Haul is also the only do-it-yourself moving and self-storage company with built-in programs that promote social distancing. Truck Share 24/7 allows you to pick up and return a U-Haul truck entirely on your smartphone at any hour. U-Box moving and storage container home delivery, extended storage access, and direct shipping of moving supplies all help you minimize contact with others. For 75 years, your needs and safety have come first at U-Haul. When you need us, we'll be here for you.